So today once again we are going to have a very beautiful session based on practice for 10 to 15 minutes everyone. Let's get started. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, as you know, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं इस काम को 2 दिन में नहीं किया जा सकता, इस काम को करने में 10 दिन लगेंगे. As you know, इस काम को 2 दिन में नहीं किया जा सकता. This work can't be done in 2 days. Okay. इसे करने में 10 दिन लगेंगे. It will take 10 days. It will take 10 days to do this work. It will take 10 days to do this work. मुझे पता है आप क्या चाहते हो. I know what you want. मुझे पता है आपके पास क्या है. I know what you have. ठीक है. मुझे लगता है आप बोल सकते हो अगर आप कोशिश करो तो. I think you can speak if you try. मुझे लगता है आप वहां जा सकते हो अगर आप कोशिश करो तो. I think you can go there if you try. वहां मत जाओ क्योंकि वहां जाने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. Don't go there because it is no advantage to go there. It is no use to go there. Translate each and every sentence. Try to speak each and every sentence with me. Everybody, come on. दौड़ने की कोशिश करो यदि आप दौड़ सकते हो तो. Try to run if you can. मैंने कई बार दौड़ने की कोशिश की लेकिन मैं नहीं दौड़ पाया एक भी बार, इसलिए मैंने दौड़ना ही बंद कर दिया. मैंने कई बार दौड़ने की कोशिश की. I tried to run many times, several times, but मैं दौड़ ही नहीं पाया. But I couldn't run. But I couldn't run. So I stopped running. So I stopped running. Now you can see I stopped running. मैंने दौड़ना ही बंद कर दिया. मैं वहां जाना बंद कर दूंगा अगर आप मुझे कहोगे कि वहां जाना बंद कर दो तो. I will stop going there if you tell me to stop going there. मैं दौड़ना बंद कर दूंगा यदि आप मुझे दौड़ना बंद करने के लिए कहोगे तो. I will stop running if you tell me to stop running. मैं आपसे दौड़ने का बंद करने का नहीं कहूंगा, आप टेंशन ना लो. I will not tell you to stop running. Don't worry. I will not tell you. I will not order you to stop running. Don't worry. करो जो आपका काम है. Do what is your work. करो जो आपका काम है और दूसरों को करने दो जो उनका काम है. चलो इसकी इंग्लिश बनाओ. Do what is your work. या फिर आप इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Do the work what is yours या which is yours. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. या डू वॉट इज योर वर्क एंड दूसरों को करने दो जो उनका काम है. लेट अदर्स, दूसरों के लिए लगेगा अदर्स. लेट अदर्स डू वॉट इज देयर वर्क. या आप ये भी कह सकते हो वॉट अदर्स डू वॉट इज देयर वर्क और लेट अदर्स डू द वर्क विच इज देयर्स. ऐसा भी आप इसे लिख सकते हो. हमेशा अर्जुन के जैसे अपने लक्ष्य को टारगेट करो. ठीक है. हमेशा के लिए इंग्लिश में क्या आएगा. ऑलवेज. ऑलवेज टारगेट योर एम लाइक अर्जुना. ठीक है. आपको हमेशा अपने लक्ष्य के बारे में सोचना है. यू ऑलवेज हैव टू थिंक अबाउट योर एम. एम के अलावा आपके दिमाग में कुछ और नहीं होना चाहिए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर एम देयर शुड नथिंग बी इन योर माइंड. जब आप अपना काम ईमानदारी से करोगे तो निश्चित ही आप सफल होंगे. When you do your work with honesty, you will surely succeed. क्या आपको लगता है कि आप जीवन में सफल हैं? Do you think you are successful in your life? आपकी सफलता आपके प्रयासों पर निर्भर करती है. Your success depends on your, what I can say, your success depends on your efforts. Your success depends on your, come on, आपकी सफलता निर्भर करती है आपके प्रयासों पर. Your success depends on your efforts. बिना प्रयास के आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. you will not get anything without efforts. You will not get anything. Anything मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. You will not get anything without efforts. प्रयास तो करने पड़ेंगे. You will have to make efforts. You will have to make efforts. सर, मैं बोलने की बहुत प्रयास करता हूं, मैं बोलने की बहुत कोशिश करता हूं, लेकिन मैं बोल ही नहीं पाता हूं. मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है बताइए. सर, I try a lot to speak. I try much to speak, but I'm unable to speak. Please tell me what is my problem. देखिए, आपकी प्रॉब्लम है कि आप बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, लेकिन क्या कभी आपने सोचा है कि जो बात आप बोल रहे हो उसको बोलने से पहले उस पर रिगार्डिंग, उस पर बेस्ड आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाए हैं, उनको प्रैक्टिस किया है. सी, यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन स्पीकिंग, बट have you ever thought that the sentence that you're making, the things that you're putting, the things that you're speaking, जो आप बोल रहे हैं, जिस चीज पर आप फोकस कर रहे हैं, you have made the sentences based on that particular content. You have made the sentence regarding those sentences. You have made the sentences based on that particular situation. You have never made sentences. You have never practiced those sentences. तो आपको कैसे बोलते आएगा? So how will you learn to speak? देखिए, बोलने के लिए बहुत ही सिंपल सा फंडा है. The first thing that we need to do is to be good at translation. Number one, be very good at translation. Do not, and what I can say, never ever think about your mistake. Just speak in your own way. Just speak in your own flow. The things that you know, just speak it in your own way. Do not and never think about your mistakes. अपने तरीके से, अपने वे में बस बोल के निकल जाना. The first thing that we have to do. Second most important things. जो चीज मैंने आपसे कहा ना कि ट्रांसलेशन में तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी ही पड़ेगी, क्योंकि जब आप बैक टू बैक हिंदी टू इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस को बनाओगे, बैक टू बैक हिंदी टू इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस को अपने तरीके से बोलोगे. मैंने कहा वो गया, ही वेंट, वो आया, ही कैम. तो इससे इंग्लिश नहीं सीख रहे हो, इससे आपका ब्रेन जो है डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली प्रिपेयर्ड हो रहा है भाषा को बोलने के लिए. If you think through translation you are going to learn English, I would say no, it's not right. We make you translate, we make you speak varieties of sentences from Hindi to English. That does not mean you are going to learn English with this. But how it is going to help you, the translation, I'm going to tell you. Listen very carefully. When you translate anything from Hindi to English, it gives you self-confidence to speak in English. You start believing in yourself that yes, this thing, if I can translate, I can speak as well. So it boosts your self-confidence. You start believing in yourself. You start believing like, oh God, if I can translate it, I can speak it as well. And that is something which makes you a confident English speaker. You know, so through translation, what exactly you do? You just learn the techniques to speak before anyone. And that is something which is very important. So I request you all that believe in the process. If you are unable to speak English confidently, now work on translation, learn how to speak any sentence from Hindi to English, from Bengali to English, from Marathi to English, from Tamil to English. In any language you are comfortable, just speak it in your own way. Because the mechanism, you know, of your brain, it's working in your native language. It doesn't work in English. See, if somebody would call you, Rohan, idhar aao, तो आप उसके पास जाकर इंग्लिश में थोड़ी कहने वाले हो. You are obviously going to speak in your native language. हाँ जी, क्या हुआ? You would say either, हाँ जी क्या हुआ, or yes, what happened. So instead of saying हाँ जी क्या हुआ, you can say yes, what happened, let me know how I can help you, what do you want to me. You will never speak in English until and unless you know how to translate these sentences into English. Now there is one more thing that comes in your mind, that today all the English speakers, those who are speaking English very well, they've also worked on translation. They could improve themselves through the same technique as you are talking about. Let me tell you, no. See, through translation you can learn and you can improve yourself if you don't know anything about English and you are completely new. But if you already know English little bit, you are able to speak in English, you are able to make sentences, then I would say that stop translating. Just speak in your own way. Speak like a pro. Speak in a free way. Do not walk into translation that now you will think in Hindi, then you will translate into English, and then you will speak. No. Now this time I'm communicating to you. I'm speaking in English. I'm not using even a single Hindi word. You must have noticed that for the last 2 minutes I've been constantly speaking in English. Do you think I'm thinking in Hindi? No, I'm not thinking in Hindi. I'm just speaking directly in English without using Hindi. So once you know the method to translate, stop translating. So after crossing certain level, after having command over language, after being good at translation, stop translating. Just speak in your own way. And that is something which will make you a confident English speaker.